Hi guys, in this video we will discuss the combustion of alkane. Alkane on heating in the presence of oxygen gets completely oxidized to carbon dioxide and water. It methane here methane uh, or we can say alkane burns with a non-luminous flame. The combustion of alkane is an exothermic process. It produces large amount of heat. For example, methane plus oxygen on heating it gives carbon dioxide and water. The amount of heat release is minus 890 kilojoule per mole. Second example is C4H10 plus 3 by 2 O2. It gives 4CO2 plus 5H2O. The amount of heat release is minus 2875 kilojoule per mole. From this reaction, we can say that as molecular mass of alkane increases, the amount of heat also increases. As amount of heat release is more, so alkanes are used as fuels. Alkane also oxidized in the in insufficient amount of air or oxygen. It gives black carbon, which is used in the uh, in the manufacture of ink, printer ink, etc. For example, in insufficient amount of insufficient amount of heat, methane plus oxygen it gives carbon plus 2H2O. So this is a combustion of alkane. Next we see oxidation. Oxidation, it is a controlled oxidation. Alkanes undergo oxidation in the presence of regulated supply of oxygen at high pressure and suitable catalyst bring change mm, in the amount of heat, pressure and catalyst. It gives a variety of oxidation products. For example, when methane and oxygen are passed over heated copper tube in the presence of 100 atm and 573 Kelvin, it gives methanol. Second example is when a mixture of methane and oxygen in the presence of molybdenum oxide and at 100 atm and 573 Kelvin, it gives formaldehyde. Second example is when methane and oxygen are passed over manganese acetate Mn2CS3 COO का whole twice, it gives ethanoic acid. Fourth example is ordinary alkanes resist oxidation, but alkanes having tertiary hydrogen oxidize into alcohol in the presence of potassium permanganate. For example, this when passed when and this alkane and oxygen are passed over KMnO4 solution, it gives alcohol, tertiary alcohol. So these are oxidation reaction. Isomerization. Isomerization. N-alkanes on heating in presence of aluminum chloride and hydrogen chloride gas. Hydrogen chloride gas isomers into tertiary isomers into branch chain alkanes. The molecular rearrangement of one isomer to another is known as isomer. For example, CH3, CH3, CH2 when heat in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride and hydrogen chloride gas, it gives branch chain alkanes. This is isomerization reaction. Second example is when n-hexane on heating in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride and hydrogen chloride gas, it gives two isomers. This is 2-methyl pentane and second is this is 3-methyl pentane. So these are isomerization reaction, isomers product. In this reaction, this is isomers product, isomer. In this reaction, two isomers are obtained. गाइज ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.